Hey, og velkommen tilbage. I'm talking a bit loud because there's a crazy dog outside that never stops. I'm vegan, but right now I just... Anyway, dagens video skal handle om mærkelige eller sjove udtryk på dansk. Funny expressions in Danish, og jeg har 5 af dem. Here we go. Danish tube. Udtryk nummer 1, det er: jeg hørte det fra hestens egen mund. Jeg hørte det fra hestens egen mund. Jeg hørte det fra hestens egen mund. I heard it from the horse's mouth. So if you hear it from the horse's own mouth, it means you heard it directly from the source. I can promise you it's true, because jeg hørte det fra hestens egen mund. Udtryk nummer 2. Der er gået ged i den. Der er gået ged i den. Der er gået ged i den. There's gone goat into it. Goat has gone into it. When goat goes into something, it means it got messed up. There's a lot of ways to say this. You can also say, I think, fish can also go in it. Or no, it can go into fish. It can go i fisk. Or kage, I think cake also. Der er gået kage i den, mener jeg. But we have the goat. Which takes us on to udtryk nummer 3, which is: så er den ged barberet. Så er den ged barberet. Så er den ged barberet. Well, that goat has...
Shut up, dog!
That goat has been shaved. Which means you have completed a task. You just finished. No, så er den ged barberet. Den kan jeg rigtig godt lide. Udtryk nummer 4. Det hedder: hvad er der på tapetet? Hvad er der på tapetet? Hvad er der på tapetet? What is on the wallpaper? It means, what do we have going today? What's the plan? What's going on? What's on the wallpaper? Well, it makes perfect sense. Og last one, nummer 5. Det hedder: jeg er ved at smelte. Jeg ved at smelte. Jeg er ved at smelte. Probably something you won't say too much in Denmark, although you have been having a hot summer this year. So, I'm melting. I'm about to melt, literally. When it's super hot, you can say that you're melting. Nå, der var mine 5 sjove udtryk. Brug dem. Vi ses i den næste video. Danish tube.